Hi there and welcome. My name is Laura and I'm a flow expert here at Heyflow. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly build an interactive funnel, customize it to your brand, and how to make most of your collected data using your integrations and analytics. Let's go. Here you can see what Heyflow looks like when creating and editing a flow. On the left hand side you can see an overview of your pages and the layers section of each of your page. Per drag and drop, you can easily change the order of your screens, or with right click or via the three dots, you can duplicate, cut a page or copy a page. When clicking on the name, you can also give it a new name to make it easier later for you in the analytics dashboard to see the drop-off rates of each of your page. To start, click on the plus to see a wide range of building blocks and simply drag and drop the block you want to see on your flow in the middle to your panel. By clicking on the block, it opens the Edit panel on the right. You can see the content, settings, and design. In our text block, you can now update the text and apply further changes by simply selecting the text, for example, changing the heading or applying a different color, or also make the text bold, underlined, or italic. In each block, you have different settings. For example, for each block, you can set up the visibility, the appearance of each block. For example, if you only want to show it on mobile. You will immediately see the difference in your live preview in the middle when you can switch here between, for example, the mobile view and desktop view. You can also switch from the edit mode to the live mode to already click through your flow and test. Next up, our info blocks. The purpose of these blocks is to receive data from our users. Our most popular block is our picture choice block, as it's a very interactive and visually stimulating way to encourage users to click through your flow. You can easily add options or delete options and insert an icon and emoji, for example, from our icon library, or upload an own photo or choose from the library. We offer a wide range of input blocks. For example, a multiple choice block, input field, phone number, date picker, a range slider, upload, and much more. We also have different buttons available in our app. For example, a continue button, a submit button to save the data from your users, or a back button or navigation. Although on this page we don't really need a button because we can set up a navigation in our picture choice directly. This only works for single selection. When enabling the Navigate on option click, the user is directly sent to the next screen. This means fewer clicks for your user and a better conversion rate for you. Also, conditional logic lets you react to the user's input and show only what is relevant to them. This helps you pre-qualify your leads and applicants. In addition, we provide various display blocks which are great when building a landing page. Our list or checklist blocks are very good when providing more additional information or benefits to the users. Also, with a progress and steps block, you provide transparency about the next steps. Our image and video block enables brand awareness. Last but not least, also a logo block is a great trust element. All these blocks help you increase lead conversion through brand and USP visibility. On every page, you can add both a header on the top and a footer at the bottom of your page. Any changes you'll make will display consistently across all pages. In the header, you can, for example, insert a logo or an avatar, while the footer can contain links to your data privacy, imprint, or contact details. This creates trust with your users, which is crucial for the effectiveness of your flow. You have built your flow and now want to match it with your corporate identity? We at Heyflow want you to 100% match your brand's design. With this in mind, we've created the design section where you can find basics such as colors, but also fonts. On block level, for example, when clicking on your picture choice, you can find more detailed designs for this block on the right-hand side. You can see here different design presets for you to choose and for your inspiration. Our design is global. That means that as soon as you make any changes to any block, they will reflect on all other blocks in your flow. If you would like to individualize your flow even more, you can. When clicking on one of the presets designs, you will find much more design variables for you to choose. For example, you can adapt how the block looks like when on hovering over it, when it's active, and much more. Now your flow is built and designed, but how can you use it? First, we take a look at how you get the data from your funnel. Under Connect, you can find the response centers and current integrations. For example, High Level, HubSpot, Google Sheets, and much more. You can also use automations platforms like Zapier or Make. Alternatively, you can send the data to a webhook directly. You can also send custom auto replies via email or via WhatsApp to your leads. With our tracking integrations, you can analyze and track user behavior in order to improve the performance of your flow. For that, cookies can also be important. With one click, you can use our native cookie integration. One last question remaining is how you want to use your flow. There are two main ways to use your flow, either standalone or embedded. Most use their funnel standalone and connected to a domain. You can either use our default domain or connect an old domain by simply adding a CNAME to it. We will then automatically create a security certificate for you. We at Heyflow also know how important analytics are. That's why we provide an inbuilt analytics dashboard. Here you can see the most important KPIs like conversion rates, but also drop-off rates of each of your pages. Flow optimization made easy. Thank you for your time. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy building!